Going to be looking at this Cleanova W11 robot cleaner with a base that'll unload the debris automatically here into the base. It's got a dust bin that holds 40 days worth of cleaning in the bin. So let's get this out of the box and take a look and see how it works. Christmas is coming up and I've got the robot cleaner parked here next to some of the Santa Clauses. And you can see the base in the back there where it's going to dock to do the charging and to unload the debris from the container. And so if I go ahead and start the app here, it's going to find my cleaner, which is that Cleanova W11. That's the one we're talking about. I've got another one, a W7 in a different room area, and that one is also sharing the same app. So it's very convenient. If you have more than one product from them, they'll load up here. If I click on that, you're gonna see the map that this robot has figured out for my main house here. The pink is one really large contiguous room, but it's really amazing how this thing does the mapping. If you look at the top of the unit, you see that little periscope at the top. There is a rotating camera in there that's shooting out infrared and doing some other positioning that it figures out the walls around the edges of your house without even touching it. It doesn't have to drive there to figure it out. It does it with that camera. It made this map probably in about 20 minutes. And just as it was exploring different parts of the room here, I could see the map starting to be created. And even here in around these pieces of furniture, it very accurately, as you can see at the top there, captured those in the map. It's definitely looking with its sensors because as it looked through windows, like in this back area here, it saw other rooms that it couldn't necessarily get to, but it saw those through the window. So amazing how it does the map. And then as it's cleaning, you're gonna see on this very map, the route that it's taking, and it doesn't miss a spot. It knows exactly where it is. And you can even select, do you want it just to vacuum or vacuum and mop or just mop? So you've got all kinds of different options here. So in this case, what I'm gonna do, first off, I'll show you what it sounds like when it cleans out the debris that's in the tank. That vacuum really kicks in strong, and it's filling this bag with debris from everything that is in the device. And you can hear the voice synthesis. The device will talk to you as it's doing different commands. That's also configurable in the app. And the app's great. So when I'm using the app, I can tell it to do different partitions or different rooms in the house. If I pick this hot pink one here and hit start, it's going to start to map out and clean this part of the house and this part only. I'm able to go in and edit this map and to section off different parts and be able to direct it to go to certain parts of the house on schedule. So really full featured. I'm very impressed with this device. I've had a lot of these robot cleaning devices, but not one that has been this accurate in the mapping process. And like I said, it doesn't even need to bump into walls to figure out where it is. It just knows from those cameras, sensors that are on the top of it there. So far, I've been very happy with it. It's doing a great job cleaning. We just put up a bunch of Christmas stuff. There's a lot of junk on the ground. It picked up all kinds of things with the vacuum. And then you've also got that mopping option also. The tank in the back holds a certain amount of water, and there's a pad of fabric that comes down and is enabled to drag behind the robot while it's vacuuming in the front. It can be mopping in the back. And I'm gonna be able to partition off this area here of carpet so it'll only do that on the hardwood floors, which is super handy. So it navigates all kinds of stuff in your house quite well, whether it's chairs or cables or fringes of carpet. I haven't had any trouble with it getting caught up and getting stuck. And when it needs more charge, it'll go right back to the base and start charging over again. So overall, very pleased with this robot. Not only do you have the ability to use your app to control it, it has a remote control too. So with just a couple AA batteries, AAA batteries, you can control it with a handheld remote control. Looks just like something from your TV set. So yeah, again, Really pleased with this. The technology is just amazing. You know, watch how it knows where it is in the room. It's already taken that turn before it's even to the corner. So really amazing how it's adjusting and just doing its thing. So hey, I hope this helped to learn a little bit more about this robot cleaning vacuum. This is definitely one I recommend, and I hope this was helpful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.